can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $58,000. Bitcoin over the last 1 week has seen a 6.4% increase in price. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin is up 120%. Bitcoin right now is struggling. Over the last 6 months, we have been seeing Bitcoin trending sideways after reaching $73,000 way back in March. Bitcoin has not been able to rally back to new all-time highs. We have seen Bitcoin even get to as low as $49,000. It's time right for Bitcoin to finally have that pump to the moon. A lot of bullish news is going around the cryptocurrency market. We're taking a look at that. Also look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. And guys, the altcoin season index is telling us right now altcoins are starting to have a good time against Bitcoin. Are we going to eventually see Bitcoin dominance dump to Goblin Town? Let's get down to business. Bitcoin dominance sits around the 57.94% region. Bitcoin dominance even got to 58%, the highest we have seen Bitcoin dominance in this cycle. But guys, something fundamental happened as Bitcoin dominance got to 58%. Ethereum hit a new low in its valuation against Bitcoin over the last 4 years. And guys, Bitcoin dominance just hit a bearish divergence. That means price got to a new high. The RSI didn't get to a new high. Bitcoin dominance got to a new high on the 5th of August 2024. We had a big crash in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance got to a new high. Right now, Bitcoin dominance has broken above that high, and the RSI has not broken to new highs, and that's fundamentally a bearish signal. So over the next few days, over the next few weeks, my buyers will be all coins will continue to outperform Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance coming to as low as 55%. That's where Bitcoin dominance 200 moving averages on the daily time frame. And Bitcoin dominance has been rising over the last 2 years. We have seen some dumps along the way, but it has been a wonderful time for Bitcoin dominance. We have seen Bitcoin dominance go from 38% on the 7th of September 2022, rallying up to as high as 58% on the 18th of September 2024. Remember guys, everything that goes up at some point in time will have its time to come down to Goblin Town. I believe Bitcoin dominance time is almost over. It's about time for the altcoin market. But how are we sure we're going to see Bitcoin actually pumping? If Bitcoin dominance is dumping, guys, that's what usually happens when the market is hyper bullish. We're going to see Bitcoin dumping, but at the same time, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. You might see Bitcoin head back to as high as $64,000. I'm of that opinion. I believe there's still a pump in Bitcoin, but new stories going around the cryptocurrency market has more wild expectations than $64,000. Let's look at some of those news articles. Can Bitcoin price overcome the 60K double breakout zone? Bitcoin optimism is increasing as chart flags a turnaround, which hinges of Bitcoin price trend holding the 60K zone. Right now, Bitcoin has been battling $60,000 for quite a while. Right now, you can draw a very straight line from $60,000 and see how many times Bitcoin has hit that $50,000 level. We have hit it multiple times over the last 6 months. That looks like the line the bulls and the bears have been battling out. But I believe we'll see Bitcoin above $60,000 in no time. But some people in the market have way bullish optimism than I do. And one of this optimism is that Bitcoin can even go to $250,000 by 2025. The article says Bitcoin ticking time bomb set up targets $150,000 by 2025. Bitcoin price technical setup, including a cup and handle pattern, suggests an explosive move to $100,000 to $150,000 over the coming months. I believe this overly optimistic. I believe this super bullish, but that's what this analyst is saying. That he sees a cup and handle pattern and he sees Bitcoin ticking towards $100,000, maybe even getting to $150,000. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. What will it mean for Bitcoin? If we rally towards $100,000, guys, that will mean Bitcoin will be setting new all-time highs. The previous all-time high for Bitcoin right now sits around $73,000. It means we'll see Bitcoin blasting into new all-time highs, but I don't want to believe that. Why don't I want to believe that, guys? The chart says something different. Last time we saw Bitcoin RSI this low was in May of 2021, and by then the cycle was over. And from an relative perspective, I believe right now we are in the end of a cycle, a super cycle that Bitcoin has been having. That's when since when Bitcoin was launched We have just been in one gigantic cycle. Let me put this chart on a monthly time frame to make it very, very clear. We've been in one gigantic cycle for Bitcoin, and I believe Bitcoin is heading for the biggest crash that we have seen in a very long time. Take a look at what Bitcoin RSI have been doing ever since when Bitcoin was launched. Yes, we have been seeing some pumps to the upside, but the RSI have been failing to break to new highs. You can see it's trending downwards over the last few cycles, and I believe right now we're in a very, very critical situation. I believe right now we're waiting for that last rally that will get everybody sucked in. We're waiting for that relief rally that might get a lot of market participants betting the markets will go to higher values when we might actually be dumping to gobbling town. Here's another news article that says Bitcoin set for 3 months historic rally as analysts eyes $92,000 Bitcoin. According to market analysts, this could be the last buying deep opportunity for Bitcoin before the next. According to market analysts, this could be the last deep buying opportunity for Bitcoin before the next leg up. $92,000. So you can see that there's a confidence in the market that a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to get almost that $100,000 level. But one thing is sure, a lot of market participants are expecting a break to new all-time highs. After several months of downward movement, Bitcoin may be poised for 3 months rally, with some analysts predicting a breakout above $92,000. Guys, I repeat again, I don't believe we're going to go that high. I believe these are overly optimistic price targets. I believe these are overly optimistic price predictions for 2024 and even for 2025. We're due a huge correction. I might see Bitcoin even going below $15,000, and that correction can happen anytime. Let's take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. This time last month, we had extreme fear in the market. So on sentiment level, there's no much improvement. Crypto market participants are still afraid, waiting to see how the market will react when the Fed starts cutting interest rates. We're going to get that decision on Wednesday. But all coins are starting to outperform Bitcoin, which is a very, very good sign for the general cryptocurrency market, which is a very good sign for Bitcoin also. But I don't think the bulls would like to hear that Bitcoin might not set new all-time highs in 2024 or 2025, as we might see Bitcoin dominance over the next few weeks dumping down to gobbling town, which will mean capital is flowing from Bitcoin into the altcoins. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you think I'm overly bearish on Bitcoin? How high do you see Bitcoin going in 2024, end of 2024, beginning of 2025? Do you think we're going to blast to new all-time highs? Or are you expecting a huge dump just like me? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.